Welcome back to 3 News on this Sunday evening. Breezy out there, and it is still breezy right now. 81 degrees with a south-southeast wind at 18 miles an hour. Dew point temperatures sitting at 78. That is that very muggy air you can wear, and that sticks with us across South Texas this evening. 84 right now, Robstown, 81, Alice, 83, Port Aransas, 84 in Rockport. So everybody except Falfurrias sitting in the low to mid 80s. Dew point temperatures upper 70s, low 80s. 81 is the current dew point in Beeville, so that is that very muggy, sticky air mass across the coastal bends. Winds out of the southeast, still howling out there at about 15 to 20 miles an hour. Gusts right now coming down, but 22 miles an hour in Mathis. We saw wind gusts of 35 to 40 miles an hour earlier this evening, so those winds slowly starting to back off, and that's going to be the case overnight as well. Satellite and radar, not much going on our radar across South Texas, but as we move off to the north, strong low pressure system pushing through the southern plains. We had multiple tornado warnings in Oklahoma earlier. Now we got one tornado warning south of Dallas right now, so still an active severe weather evening in North Texas and southern and southeastern Oklahoma, and this continues to push on off towards the east. Behind the front, much cooler temperatures. 53 right now in Lubbock. It's 50 in Amarillo, 74 San Angelo, 78 in Fredericksburg. Meanwhile, it's still 92 in Del Rio. This cold front not going to make it to South Texas, though. It will continue to push on off to the east, try to make its way towards our doorsteps early tomorrow morning into the afternoon hours. We'll see a few spotty showers and storms, but not really expecting much activity here in the coastal bend. Then the cold front dies off. Our winds turn southerly. We're bringing more humidity, and we're going to stay hot and humid the next several days, and most of the moisture stays on off to our north. Later in the week, got another cold front. This is a stronger front. Will bring rain to central Texas by Wednesday or Thursday, then slow down as it pushes towards the coastal bend. Finally working its way through our area late Friday into early Saturday, giving us more rain chances, and then this pushes on through, and we're talking about a much different air mass expected by next weekend. Overnight tonight, still warm and muggy, temperatures dropping into the mid 70s. Overnight tonight, we may see a few passing showers. That cold front tries to make its way towards the coastal bend as it dies off, as it enters our area. We'll have a few showers early tomorrow morning. I think this model is overdoing it, but we'll have some hit and miss activity expected for your day tomorrow. Otherwise, hot and muggy. Winds backing off over the next several hours, and they'll be out of the north early tomorrow morning before they turn back out of the south by the afternoon hours. Humidity staying high the next several days. Those dew points in the 70s through Friday. Then that big time cold front comes through Friday into Saturday. Humidity plummets, and we're talking about, once again, a much different air mass expected next week. Atlantic, fairly quiet. A few disturbances here that we're tracking. No threat to Texas, though. We are tracking, though, Tropical Storm Pamela in the eastern Pacific. This is expected to become a hurricane as it pushes towards Cabo San Lucas, and then it'll try to make its way towards northern Mexico and bring a little bit of moisture into South Texas as we head into the later part of the week, also interacting with that cold front once again. Something to watch, but nothing to worry about here in South Texas. Overnight tonight, few passing clouds, warm and humid. We may have some isolated showers by morning. Temperatures only falling into the upper 70s. Tomorrow, hot and humid with some isolated showers. We'll go for a high right around 90 degrees. Heat index values back around 100, and we stay hot and muggy the next several days until we get to that big time fall cold front late Friday and early Saturday. Much lower humidity next weekend, and we'll see those highs upper 70s, low 80s. Big time change coming next weekend. Few days, though, more of the heat. Brian.
Boy, air you can wear. That certainly fits our weather.